Alright, got the fan cat, a bit of a breeze again. Oh, I'm going to try and underarm launch it. I'll just show you how easy it is. Oh, nice little grab around the side. And off she goes. And that, you know how easy it is. Great playing this. Highly recommend one. Fast as hell as well. It's a success, this one. Just be doing a ton there, like. Oh, it's blowy. It's blowy. And just give it a punch and she's off. I think like 100% elevator, about 60% on the ailerons. She does turn quick, like she's a bit of a, not drill bit, but see there. Yeah, she doesn't hang around, like. And this breeze as well, she's flying really well in it. She's absolutely nuts. Oh, so quick. Absolutely brilliant plane. Right, I'm going to bring her in. I'm going to go round again.
20 seconds.
Below that.
10.
Get the nose down. Yeah, getting below in here. I don't know, I'll take this landing now. Yeah. Pull up, pull up. Yeah, that'll do me. Because this wind is terrible. So I'd rather just get it down. And yeah. Absolutely brilliant plane. Highly recommend. Here she is in the long grass. All good. Just a bit of gas in that. There we go.